Have you ever wondered how big companies manage thousands of employees across dozens of countries, from hiring to performance reviews, all in one system? Welcome to the world of SAP SuccessFactors, the most powerful cloud-based human capital management solution used by global enterprises today. In this video, we'll break it all down. Checkmark. What is SuccessFactors? What modules does it include? Why are companies switching from on-premise HR to this cloud solution? And most importantly, how can you build a career in it? Let's dive in. Section 1. What is SAP SuccessFactors? SAP SuccessFactors is a cloud-based HCM, human capital management, suite designed to manage every stage of the employee lifecycle, from recruitment to retirement. Founded in 2001, SuccessFactors was acquired by SAP in 2011. Since then, it has become SAP's main HR solution for cloud-first enterprises. Key characteristics: fully cloud-native global compliance and localization, regular quarterly updates, seamless integration with S/4HANA and third-party tools. SuccessFactors is not just an HR database. It's a strategic HR platform helping organizations align people strategy with business goals. Section 2. Core modules explained. Let's break down the most used modules in SAP SuccessFactors. 1. Employee Central. Think of this as the heart of the system, your core HR master data. It handles employee records, org structure, job info, position, compensation, global and local compliance. 2. Recruiting management. End-to-end recruitment, job postings, applicant tracking, interview management. Offer approvals. Companies love the seamless candidate experience. 3. Onboarding streamlines, new hire experience, pre-boarding, paperless document signing, equipment requests, buddy assignments. 4. Performance and goals. Manage performance cycles, set KPIs, continuous feedback, manager reviews, calibration sessions. It helps align personal goals with business targets. 5. Learning LMS, enterprise-grade learning platform, online courses, certifications, compliance training. Mobile learning supports both internal and external learners. 6. Succession and development. Focuses on future leadership, talent pools, career paths, development plans, readiness metrics. Great for organizations investing in long-term people strategy. 7. Compensation. Manage raises and bonuses, merit-based increases, equity and stock plans. Budget planning helps HR teams run fair and transparent cycles. Section 3. Why companies use SuccessFactors. Top reasons why global companies are choosing SAP SuccessFactors. Scalability. Whether 200 or 200,000 employees, it works. Localization. Covers over 100 countries with legal compliance. User experience. Modern, Fiori-style UX. Integration. Works with SAP S/4HANA, SFDC, Workday, etc. Analytics. Built-in reports plus workforce analytics. Quarterly innovation. Always improving. Used by companies like Coca-Cola, BMW, Unilever, Nestlé, Airbus. Section 4. Career opportunities in SAP SuccessFactors. SAP SuccessFactors has created a huge demand for skilled professionals. Let's look at the top roles. 1. Functional consultant. Gathers business requirements. Configures modules like Employee Central or LMS. Works directly with HR stakeholders. No coding needed. 2-point integration. Consultant connects. SuccessFactors with payroll or S4. Works with tools like SAP CPI, Dell Boomi Technical, but not full programming. 3. Admin/support internal teams. At companies using SF manages daily requests, reports, user access. 4. Technical consultant/extension developer. Builds apps using BTP/SAP Extension Center works with APIs and extensions. Section 5. How to learn SuccessFactors. Here's your roadmap if you want to enter the SF ecosystem. Step 1. Choose your path. Functional, HR knowledge helps. Technical, integration, or dev background. Step 2. Learn the basics. Learning.sap.com, free SAP learning site. Focus on Employee Central plus one other module. Watch YouTube tutorials. Read implementation guides. Step 3. Practice with demo systems. Access paid SF demo environments, consulting firms, training platforms. Use case studies to simulate real projects. Step 4. Get certified, optional. SF Employee Central Certification, CER06 license via SAP. Other modules, LMS, recruiting, PMGM, etc. Add it to your LinkedIn and resume step 5. Build a portfolio blog post LinkedIn shares. Even a simple SAP project walkthrough gets noticed. Step 6. Apply to entry-level roles. SAP partners. Large enterprises with internal SF teams. Remote jobs. Search SuccessFactors Remote on LinkedIn. Section 6. Real salaries and market demand. Let's talk about something everyone's curious about. Salaries and market demand in the SAP SuccessFactors space. Global demand in 2025. Since COVID, companies have been accelerating their digital HR strategies. And SuccessFactors is at the center of it. With more organizations going fully remote or hybrid, HR needs to be cloud-based, flexible, and analytics-driven. That's exactly what SuccessFactors delivers. In 2025, the demand for consultants has grown over 35% globally compared to the previous year, especially for employee central consultants, integration experts, SAP CPI Dell Boomi, LMS and performance specialists, cross-module professionals with S4, HANA exposure salary ranges by role and region role, entry-level, mid-level senior, lead US $55,000 to $75,000, $90,000 to $120,000, $130,000 to $160,000 plus UK, £35,000 to £50,000, £55,000 to £80,000, £90,000 plus Germany, €40,000 to €55,000, €60,000 to €90,000, €100,000 plus India, 8 lakh rupees to 14 lakh rupees, 15 lakh rupees to 22 lakh rupees, 25 lakh rupees plus remote global average $60,000 to $100,000 USD depending on time zone and expertise. Tip: integration consultants earn more due to technical complexity and cross-system knowledge. Where are the jobs? SAP partners: Infosys, Capgemini, Deloitte, Accenture product-based companies, BMW, Coca-Cola, Siemens SaaS, HR companies seeking in-house support. Remote freelance platforms: Upwork, TopTal, Malt, EU. You don't need to be in Silicon Valley. If you know your stuff, companies hire globally, especially SuccessFactors admins, recruiters, and functional consultants are in high demand. So let's wrap this up. SAP SuccessFactors isn't just another HR tool. It's a growing global standard. From recruitment and onboarding to learning, performance, and even succession planning, it's an end-to-end solution trusted by Fortune 500s. But more than that, it's a career gateway. If you've ever wanted to enter the SAP world without heavy coding, this is your moment. You can start learning today from free SAP learning courses, tutorials, and hands-on projects. And within months, apply to real jobs. And if you want a shortcut to clarity, we've prepared a complete SAP Career Starter Guide that maps your journey from zero to SAP ready. Download it here. kayaabdullah.gumroad.com. Let us help you get ahead in 2025. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and let us know in the comments. Which SAP module do you want us to cover next? Thanks for watching, and remember, success in SAP starts with the first step. See you in the next video. Hi.